Every office has that one space, awkward, empty, and completely wasted. Maybe it used to be a storage room, or maybe it's just a weird corner that no one knows what to do with. But today, we are changing that. Let's turn it into the ultimate team lounge, a place to relax, recharge, and maybe even spark the next big idea. And we'll build it in minutes using Draw.io, so let's get started. Doing this is going to be super simple. First, we're going to open up Draw.io inside of our Confluence page, which is dedicated to remodeling the space. Let's turn off the page view so that we can expand our layout. And while we're here, we'll adjust the grid space to match real-world measurements. Let's say your space is 10 by 20 feet. You can tweak the grid so each square equals 1 foot. Now, everything will scale correctly. Next, we're going to make sure that we got the right tools. So let's open up more spaces and enable our floor plan library. This will give us the walls, the doors, the furniture, and everything you'll need to begin to shape this room. Time to bring this space to life. Drag and drop the walls to the defined area, snap them together so everything aligns perfectly. Add doors, windows, and make sure it feels open and inviting. Now, let's finish it. Drop some couches, chairs, and a coffee table, maybe even a snack bar, because what's a lounge without snacks? Everything's draggable, so move things around and experiment with different layouts. Label key areas so people know what's where, and to make this even more helpful, because we all want our purchase requests for this room to get approved, we want to add clickable links to furniture and equipment. For example, link the couch to the exact model online so that the team knows what to order. Need a mini fridge? Drop it a shape and link it to a product page. Since you're working in Confluence, your team can collaborate in real time, suggest changes, and finalize the design together. And just like that, you've turned an empty, forgotten space into something that your team will actually use. And if you haven't tried Drawio yet, head over to the Atlassian Marketplace and you can test it free for 30 days. Until next time, stay connected.